Hey guys, well, this is the Sony Vaio 14-inch Core i3 dual-core CPU, 5470 Radeon video card and Windows 7 machine, 64-bit, and I get it for my wife. And you know what? After a day or two, she told me it's too slow. Do something with this, okay? Well, so I was in trouble. I just get this laptop for her, and I said what I can do, and I asked myself, you know, what I can do to improve overall performance of this laptop. So if you remember my last video, I did the unboxing of the Vertex 2 solid state drive, okay? And I get one for me and I love it, and I get another one for myself for RAID 0, but I love my wife, so I think I will give this one for her, you know, and we'll put this solid state drive in this decent laptop, and we'll see what kind of performance we can expect. So I'll get to work now. Okay, so removing a hard drive from a laptop is very simple. You just put your laptop face down, remove a couple of screws, take your old moving parts shit out. You take this bracket, slide it out, put the SSD in, and what you need to do now, let me just show you. You just need to slide this in like that, put the SSD, and there you go. You have your SATA, one moment, SATA connectors and power connector right here. So it's very simple. So we are ready to go. Okay, now we have our SSD installed in the laptop. So I didn't tell you before, just in case I will. Before you will remove the hard drive and install another one, of course remove your battery first, okay? And now install the SSD, install your battery back, put the power cord in, and you're good to go. So we'll start the laptop now after we change the drive. And what we need to do, we need to get to BIOS, okay? So we'll click delete. Okay, we don't want to do it. We'll just restart again, and I believe it's F1 here. F1, no. We'll try F2. We need to get to BIOS. That's the... Okay, F2, we are in BIOS. Very simple BIOS. Let me just try to focus here, you know. Put the ISO down, maybe even more. Okay. And I will show you guys what to do. I don't know yet, but we will try to do it together, okay? So what we have here, we have advanced, well, not many advanced options, as you can see. We need to set, oh there you go, boot priority, and we need to set our first boot priority for the CD-ROM. So optical disk drive, yep, we're gonna do optical. First boot priority, we're gonna do optical, second hard disk drive, and third it's just not important. You can disable or leave external drive, whatever. So what we're gonna do now, I'm sorry it's messy video guys, but I will show you. Gonna get my Windows 7 disk. Put your Windows 7 disk in the CD-ROM drive, optical drive. Okay. And it was set like this, so I don't need to save it. So I will just restart. And the BIOS should ask me, should I boot, there you go, from the CD drive. And yes, we want to enter to our Windows installation. And you just install Windows. So I guess I don't need to show you that. It's very simple. So let's install Windows and let you guys what's the performance like, okay? So stay with me. Okay, just in case you are curious, this is the old drive. I'm installing Windows right there on the SSD, and this is the also 2.5 inch but mechanical hard drive, and it's 5,400 RPM. So I guess that was the reason of the poor performance of this machine right there. So we'll see how it is to put the SSD in this laptop. Okay, so I installed Windows and some of the most important drivers like video card driver and audio driver, but I guess it takes some time to download all the updates for Windows 7. So I think it's a good idea to have some Angry Birds to kill the time, you know. Okay, so I install all the drivers, and I will just make a quick reboot here to check how fast it is. It should be pretty quick. Okay, it's running. Okay, we have Windows screen. You can check the time if you want. And I can already tell you it is way faster. Okay, it's a huge difference. Believe me, if you want to improve your performance of your laptop, go ahead and install the solid state drive. It's amazing. Okay, so just in case you want to know, I did the HD Tune benchmark, and you have the results here. It's a good average. I get higher results with the with my main system with the same SSD for some reason, but I believe my wife will be happy with her new toy. So let's hope she will. Thanks for watching, guys.